ideas coming. First of all, I like to introduce my group. My name is Ravindra Neeraj. I am representing my group. Along with me, Rajesh Gupta is there.
Rajesham. Yeah.
Kaushik is there. Alok is there. Saurabh, Rohit and Yogesh. So this is a unanimous decision what we have taken. Now coming to the maximized learning. First of all, we are here letting our all the things go there, and we are here alone. So what we like to interact with new people and sharing our experiences, so that we can have more case studies what the people have gone through situations, so that we can maximize our learning, because it might be possible that we are not in the situations which our friends have gone through. So it is better to interact with each other and share the case studies rather than classroom learning, and that will help. That's what we have thought about. An interactive session, and after that case studies, we can have an interactive session along with the friends, that how you have handled that situation and what you have done in that situation, and audiovisual sessions, because these are very good sessions, because when we are learning the things through audio and visual, we can visualize the things and we can really contribute to that. And for not the least is the chairman interaction. The star mark of this program is that we are going to interact with the chairman, who has rose from MTT to the position of a chairman. So this can always help us to discuss with him that how we can have an interaction, and this could be a very good session. So this is the very big thing where we can maximize our learning, because this is a very big opportunity given all of us to interact with the chairman. Very few get this in this early in the stage of their career. And as far as the expectations are concerned, what we are trying to learn here is that ability, if thrown into a difficult situation, how we are coming out through that. So ability to handle critical situations. This program, as it is already named after, high impact leaders. What we are trying to learn here is that how can we have an impact over a situation which we have thought of, but we are never thrown into it. If that situation arises, their problems can be type of many types. That industrial relationship, this is a big thing. Where when we are in a plant, we have to interact with lots of non-executives, lots of contract laborers, and many a times we come across that they start saying that jobs cannot be done this way or that way. Where comes our leadership quality or the impact which we can give to them, so that we can come out through that. I hope that this session will help us in that way through sharing the experiences. And as we all know, there are diverse set of people coming through various plants and units of this cell, and which will obviously helps us in bringing our goal achieved. And as far as the one expectation is there, that we are all bored from our plant and normal life, so we like to have an outdoor session, so that we can feel the real heat of the things and we can go through that. Thank you.
Here, on the given topics, we have jotted down some points. Our team name is Super 7, and we are having Mr. Raj, Shaumya, Govind, Vishal, Vijay, Kamal, and me. So we have started with the how to maximize our learning at MTI. We have started with very unique thing, that is attitude, because attitude is a magnet. We should learn. Our expectation is what are the different styles of leadership. Many leaders, they use different styles. How to learn what are the different styles, how to motivate the people. Either there are too many policies, carrot or a stick, whatever, it is a pictorial presentation. How a leader can address the situations, means situational leadership. How to command the respect from the people. Without respect, we cannot be a good leader. And last but not the least, how to connect ourselves with the people. Because we are working with the people at the ground level, they are not educated. So how to connect with them? That is our expectation from this program.
In the team, so through sharing experiences we learn. Then we have to have an open mind, basically unbiased, so that we are able to accept whatever is coming. Then obviously listening is one of the things that will help us to learn. Participation, we participate and learn. Then observation, by observing things we can maximize our learning, and then by building relationships. So from when we leave this place, we keep on interacting with the people who are here, and through that also we can maximize our learning. So that is the first thing. Then expectation from the program. So basically, first one is strengthening our thought process. So then second, it will help us align our focus with company's vision. Then improvement in leadership skills. Then better know ourselves. If there is some our drawbacks and these things, we can address it over next few months or maybe next year. And then yes, this is one of the key expectation, opportunity of interaction with the highest authority. So through that we can we'll have better understanding of our company's performance and everything. Then yes, this was another expectation, learning through outbound exercises and case studies. So yeah, this is it.
So wonderful, Avinash. Thank you.
Pawan, Rajesh, Rizwan and Ashish. First of all, to maximize learning, the first thing we have to develop, that we have decided that we will keep ourselves in a relaxed and free mind position. Here we have no bosses, we have no wives, we have no kids. Nobody is there to disturb us. The first thing that we have relaxed mind. Second thing is focus and concentration. Focus and concentration. Definitely that is a thing that to remain focused here for all the 4 days. Other thing is fun and games. You know how children used to develop learning. They enjoy. When you torture them, they will not learn. So in the same manner, we don't want any torture. We want that we should enjoy in a familiar manner, in a fun way. Another thing is unlearning. When we come here, we have developed a kind of mindset that we know everything. This is the right way to solve. I am smart. I know everyone is smart. So we are not to show our smartness. We have to learn here. Another, we know Ranchi, but we have not enjoyed in a group. So city tour we are expecting. So, arrive, awake and stop, not till the goal is reached. Swami Vivekananda. So our expectations from MTI. We know, everyone know leadership, but how to go in a structured manner. So we want something add-ons from the MTI. They are enriched, they are experienced faculty here. So we want them in a structured manner. Leadership everyone know, but how to apply in a practical manner. That is, we call it customization at our own workplace. Every workplace has their own problems. So how we can use in our workplace? And we are fortunate that we are 80 young minds here. So networking definitely helps. And today we know the technical aspects. But apart from technical things, there are social domains. There are domains where we have to listen. So cross-functional, we have to know the finance, we have to know the personal part. So the cross-functional learning we have to give more importance. And everybody has faced some or more problems in their life. So how they have solved it in their own way. That is case studies. And of course, when we go up, there is a lot of stress for all of us. So how do we manage the stress? That is a better part if we can learn from here. And the last thing, that after this program, we must be enlightened. Tamso Ma Jyoti Gamiya.
Program is how to become a high impact leader, and to learn some of these qualities, to how to become what are the qualities of a high impact leader. One of these is definitely personality. Many of us were working in a, what you can say, in a solo manner in our place of work. So to develop the personality is one of the very, because when you talk about a leader, it is not a single person, it is a group of people. Maybe it may be colleagues, it may be bosses, it may be juniors, even it can be our non-executives also. So to develop the personality, to interact, how to interact with our bosses and also with our subordinates, this is very important thing. We need to learn and we need to develop this personality skills. And identifying the leadership qualities. Many of us know that there are many leadership qualities, but how important or how to develop the leadership skills is important point to know, because you can know that it is not always that leaders are born. So we need to develop these leadership skills, and we can definitely be a very high impact leader. Team building is definitely another aspect, as I've already talked, that leaders do not work in a solo manner. We have to work in a team. So we need to develop our team building abilities. You can understand all these points are interlinked. So the fourth point is the interpersonal skills. Just like I explained ago, that how do we interact with our bosses and with our subordinates. So this interpersonal skill is definitely very important. So we expect to learn this from this program also. And the final expectation is there's definitely we are most of us are coming from the plants, working at a particular place of work down with our day-to-day work. And we expect that after this program we will be having a fresh mind. We'll learn new things. We will go back to our workplace with a rejuvenated mind. Thank you. Defense from RMD, Ajay from DSP, Arvind from RMD, Ashish from ISP, and myself. So we have deliberated on how to maximize our learning, and these are the points that we have finalized. All of us are from all the various units of sales, so and everybody is having different types of experience. So it's a very good forum to learn from each other, sharing our experiences, our views, our information also. This will help us to learn many new things and also to solve various day-to-day problems that we are facing in our workplace. So learning from each other will be one of the most major components that we expect from this program. Second is brainstorming. We would like to brainstorm various issues, maybe on various problems that some of our friends are facing at their place of work, and try to solve out those problems through our experience or through our knowledge through in this program. We would like to be a very good listener, because many a times it so happens that we don't listen. We see many things, we read many things, we hear many things, but we actually how much we listen to those things is a question. So being a good listener, we can learn many things from being listening to what our colleagues are saying, my friends are saying. We can learn many things. And at MTI we are definitely expecting the experts in the fields. We are expecting good inputs from these experts, and we would like to learn from them also. And another point is observation. Observation during these training programs, observations of various case studies, how it is being done by our fellow colleagues. Maybe if somebody is trying to solve a problem by one way, but there can be many other ways. So we have to keep our mind open and observe what everybody else is doing. So we can learn, and we can build up a wider perspective of solving a problem.